Hi, in this video we are going to make this design, and in another video we are going to I'm going to make the same design with software CATIA. This because I would like to you see the change, the difference changes. Sorry, and let's start. So we create a new file. Select this, accept, and the plane with the measure is this 370, same with around 177. We choose this plane, sketch, line, escape, line. We give measures. This 377, and the same 377. I want to round 177 here and here. We accept. Accept. We exit to this sketch, from this sketch, sorry, and select this and select this sketch plane, and we select this point. Accept. Select this plane, sketch, press Ctrl +8 for a perpendicular view, and select circle. Okay, circle, and sorry, I don't know what happened. And select with the measure. Measure is 100, and again select circle. We give measure and 150. We accept. We exit to this from this plane, and select this, select the path, and we accept. Select this face, cookies, sketch, sorry, press Ctrl +8 and select rectangle, and give measure 240, and this time select this line and this line, select select this and this line equal. We extrude material first. We convert this circle, convert entities, and option extrude material, and we select reverse direction and 15. Reset, and first we're going to make the flanges, select this, and with the press Ctrl+8 again, and we give measures 240 again. 240. We accept, and we give strip reverse, and sorry, cancel. Where we convert this circle, and sorry, convert entities, and option, and sorry, this is it, select, delete, select this, and sorry, and options, reverse, and we accept. We select this, we hide, and select this, press Ctrl+8. Sorry, okay. It's okay. We sorry, escape, select this line, select, we compare construction line, we give measure this to his Spain 23 equal. Select this point and this, and we'll make horizontal, and here to here 194. We select mirror, and like this, select this line, sorry, we delete, select this choice, and we accept. We exit from this sketch, and select manager drill, we select this, and M10 to all, position, select this face, we position in our cursor in this point, and we accept. Ready. Again, select this, and we draw the point, this and this, we give measure 23, select this and this, horizontal, and between this there is a distance and 194, and we draw a construction line, and select mirror, select this point, and we accept. We exit from this sketch, and we select manager drill, and the same options, this equal options, sorry, and position, select this face, we select these points, those, and we accept. This is our elbow with the flanges, and as I can I say at the beginning of this video, these pieces we're going to make with another software called CATIA, and I hope that you can see which software is better for you. It depends our needs. So could be that's it, and see you.